नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बोर्डामध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 and 5 साठी जे चॅलेंजिंग क्वेश्चन विचारले जातात ते आपण बघणार आहोत. आणि मी हे मराठी आणि इंग्रजीतनं बोलणार आहे. म्हणजेच मराठी मीडियमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना सेमी इंग्लिश आणि ॲज वेल ॲज इंग्लिश मीडियमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना ते समजू शकेल. ओके, नाव दी चॅलेंजिंग क्वेश्चन्स. ही सिरीज चालू होणार असणार आहे. ही 5-5 क्वेश्चन्स हे माझ्या व्हिडिओमध्ये असणार आहे. शेवटच्या लास्ट चॅप्टर पर्यंत मी हे कंडक्ट करणार आहे. ओके, निश्चितच तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 and 5 चे जे काही 11 मार्क्स असतात, 11 मार्क्स, त्याच्यासाठी हा बेनिफिशियल व्हिडिओ असणार आहे. नाव लेट अस स्टार्ट. Here the first question. In quadrilateral ABCD, side BC is a parallel to side AD. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect in point Q. If AQ is equals to 1 by 3 AC, then show that DQ is equals to 1 upon 2 BQ. Okay, now this is the figure. Okay, in this figure, that is a quadrilateral ABCD considered. BC is parallel to AD. Okay, diagonal AC and the BD intersect at the point Q. If AQ is equals to, this is the AQ is equals to 1 by 3 AC, then we want to show that DQ is equals to 1 upon 2 the PQ. Okay, now let us start. Okay, this is the figure. Now the proof. The first part is here. AQ is equals to 1 by 3 AC, that we have given. This AQ is equals to 1 by 3 AC. Therefore, we can write this 3 times AQ is equals to AC. And again, AC can be written as, AC कसा लिहिता येईल आपल्याला? AQ plus QC. Can write like this. Now the next. What is here? AQ पलीकडे नेणार. That is a 3 times AQ minus AQ. You will get 2 times AQ is equals to QC. Okay, and therefore AQ upon QC is equals to 1 upon 2. This is the first part. Now the next. Now consider the triangle AQD, the triangle AQD and the triangle CQB. In these two triangles, that is angle AQD, angle AQD, this is the angle, and the next angle is CQB. These are the vertically opposite angles. Next, angle QAD and the angle QCB, these are the alternate angles. Okay, and therefore the triangle AQD is a similar to triangle CQB by angle test of similarity. Now the next. As these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. त्यांच्या corresponding sides या proportion असतात. What are that sides? That is a AQ upon CQ is equals to QD upon QB. Okay, and we can write this. But what is AQ upon QC? AQ upon QC is equals to 1 upon 2. हे आपण find out केलेलं आहे. ही व्हॅल्यू आपण तिथे सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. Therefore, DQ upon BQ is equals to 1 upon 2, and if we simplify, इथे multiplication करणार. Therefore, DQ is equals to 1 upon 2 BQ, and in this way, it is a proved. या टाईपचे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्हाला बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये येऊ शकतात, किंवा या टाईपच्या एक्झाम्पल्सचा तुम्ही जर अभ्यास केला तर तुम्ही बोर्डाला येणारं एक्झाम्पल देखील कॉन्फिडेंटली सॉल्व करू शकतात. These examples improve your logical thinking. Now the next example. A line cuts two sides AB and AC of triangle ABC in point P and Q respectively. Then show that area of the triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to AP into AQ upon AB into AC. Okay, now see this here, the figure. Okay, this is the triangle ABC. Okay, and the line PQ intersect AB at the point P and AC at the point Q. Okay, and then we want to put this. Okay, now the answer. First, the construction draw BQ. इथे BQ आपण draw करणार. Now we consider the triangle. That is a triangle APQ and the triangle ABQ. APQ, ABQ. हे दोन्ही triangle consider करणार. These two triangles have the common vertex, which is the Q, and hence they have the equal heights. If we draw the perpendicular from the point Q on AB, they have the equal heights, and therefore that is a triangle APQ and the triangle ABQ have a common vertex Q, and their bases AP and the AP are on the same line. त्यांचे bases AP आणि AP एकाच line वरती आहे. That is, therefore, they have equal heights. Hence, their areas are proportional to their corresponding bases AP and AB. Therefore, त्यांची height कशी आहे? The same आहे. Therefore, their areas are proportional to their bases, which is the AP and AB. Therefore, the first area of the triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABQ is equals to AP upon AB, and this is the first part. Now the next, similarly, we will consider the two triangles ABQ, ABQ and ABC. Again, these two have equal heights. Okay. Therefore, they ABQ, ABQ and ABC have the common vertex, which is the B, and they have the equal heights. Hence, their areas are proportional to their corresponding bases AQ and AC. This is the AQ and AC. Therefore, area of triangle ABQ, area of triangle ABQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to AQ upon AC, and this is the second one. Now from 1 and 2, इथे product करणार आपण. Left hand side चे product करणार. That is the area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABQ. This is the first one. Into area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle, ABQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to. त्यांच्या right hand side काय येते? AP upon AB into AQ upon QC. यामध्ये काय कट होणार? That is the area of triangle ABQ या ठिकाणी कट होणार, and hence you will get that is the area of the triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is equals to AP into AQ upon AB into AC, and hence it is approved. Okay, this is the way of proved it. Easy question is. Now the next question. Question number 3. In the adjoining figure, AD is the bisector of exterior angle A of triangle ABC. Segment AD intersect the side BC produced in D. Prove that BD upon CD is equals to AB upon AC. Okay. Now see this figure. In this adjoining figure, what is that here? AD is the angle bisector of the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Exterior angle A of triangle ABC. म्हणजे आपण इथे ABC हा ट्रायंगल कन्सिडर केलेला आहे आणि त्याचा AD हा कसा आहे? अँगल CAK is the exterior angle. AD is the angle bisector of the exterior angle of the triangle ABC. Okay. Segment AD intersect this side BC produced. Segment AD intersect this side BC produced. आपण BC जर वाढवली तर ती कुठे D मध्ये intersect होते. Then prove that BD, okay, this is the BD upon CD. BD upon CD is equals to AB upon AC. Okay. Now here, this is the first. In triangle BAD, consider the triangle BAD. Next, C is a parallel to DA. CE is a parallel to DA. Therefore, we draw here the one line which is the parallel to DA or AD. Okay. And therefore, by the, if I write here E, as this EC is a parallel to AD, and hence by the basic proportionality theorem, that is by BPT, we have here B upon EA is equals to BC upon CD. B upon EA is equals to BC upon CD. Okay. And therefore by the componendo. What is the componendo? That is, if we have A upon B is equals to C upon D, then we add to the numerator, we add the denominator, that is called the componendo. Okay. And therefore we have here the BE plus EA upon EA is equals to BC plus CD upon CD. Okay. इथे काय केलं आपण तर componendo केलंय. Now the next. Therefore, B plus EA is nothing but AB. This is the first one. Keep EA as it is. BC plus CD is nothing but BD, and this is the first one. Okay. Next, C is a parallel to DA. This C is a parallel to DA, and AC is the transversal. Okay, AC is the transversal, and therefore the angle ECA, okay, angle ECA and the angle DAC, these are the alternate angles. As these two lines are parallel, AC is their transversal, therefore these two angles are equal. Okay. आणि हे दोन्ही angles कसे आहेत तर मग ते congruent आहे, and these are the alternate angles. That also C is a parallel to DA, and the BK is the transversal. CE is a parallel to DA, and BK, this is the transversal, and therefore these are the alternate angles. Sorry, these are the corresponding angles. Okay, this is the corresponding angles. Now what's happening? Suppose that measure of this angle is, I think this is X and this is X, and as this is the bisector and हे दोन्ही angles कसे असतील the same असतील, therefore I write here X and here X. It means that the triangle AEC is the isosceles triangle, and therefore AE is equals to AC. That is the sides opposite to congruent angles. Okay, now see this here. Now the next is a angle CEA. Angle CEA is equals to angle DAK. What type of these two angles are? They are the corresponding angles. म्हणजे या दोन लाईन्स कशा तर पॅरलल आहे, ही त्याची ट्रान्सव्हर्सल आहे. These are the corresponding angles, and therefore the angle DAC is equals to angle, but we know that is the angle DAC is equals to angle DAK. That is a AD हा त्याचा बायसेक्टर असल्यामुळे हे दोन्ही angles कसे तर ते same. Okay, and therefore from 2, 3, 4, what's happening here? The angle ECA, that is this is the angle, is equals to angle CEA. Okay, these two angles are equal, and therefore EA is equals to AC. म्हणून हा EA, these two sides are the congruent, that is a side opposite to equal angles. Okay, now the next, and therefore from 1 and 5 we have here BA upon EA. What is that here? BA upon this EA is replaced by AC. BA upon AC. This EA is replaced by AC. First जे रेशो दिलेला आपल्याला तिथे BA is replaced by AC. Next, BD upon CD. Okay, and that is here, I will write here, that is nothing but BD upon CD is equals to BA is nothing but AB and AB upon AC, and hence BD upon CD is equals to AB upon AC, and hence it is a proved. Okay, first काय आपण इथे construction करतो, and using the construction we prove that these two ratios are equal. हे important आहे. ते झाल्यानंतर आपण काय करतो त्याला, we apply here the component rule. Then we prove that the triangle AEC is isosceles, and we replace the side EA as AC, and hence we get the proof. Okay. मला 2-4 वेळा सराव केला तर निश्चितच तुम्हाला ते जमेल. Now the next question. In triangle ABC, ACB is a 90 degree. Okay, ACB is a 90 degree. See this here. In triangle ABC, ABC, this angle is a 90 degree here. Next, segment CD is a perpendicular to segment AB. CD is a perpendicular to AB. Next, segment DE is a perpendicular to, this is the BC here. And then show that CD square into AC is equals to AD into AB into DE. This we want to prove. Now let us start. Okay, the first here, proof that in triangle ABC, angle ACB is equals to 90. Segment CD is perpendicular to segment AB. CD is perpendicular to segment AB, and therefore by the geometric mean property. काय असे geometric mean property? जो perpendicular draw केलेला असतो, that is here the CD. Therefore, it's a CD square is equals to the product of AD into DB. The product of this AD into DB, and this is the first one. Next, by the similarity of a right angle, that is a angle, right angle triangles, the triangle BED, triangle BED is similar to triangle BCA. या biggest triangle ची B, this is a BCA मोठ्या triangle ची तो कसा आहे तर ते similar आहे. एक angle आपल्याला इथे कसं दाखवता येतो, that is we can prove that here this angle is a common. Okay, BD मधला BED मधला एक अँगल B हा कसा आहे तर कॉमन आहे, आणि अँगल हा इथला C and this angle E each 90, and therefore by the angle test these two triangles are similar. Okay, and therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. मग कुठल्या sides घेणार आपण, that is a BD upon BA is equals to DE upon AC. Okay, I will repeat it again here. This is the BD upon BA is equals to DE upon AC, corresponding sides of the congruent triangles. And now the next, therefore BD is equals to, the value of BD is equals to DE upon AC into BA. This is the value of the BD, that is the DE into AB upon AC. AB आपण कसं लिहिला, BA कसं लिहिला तर AB सारखं लिहिला. This is the second one. Substituting the value of BD from 2 in equation number 1. या equation number 1 मध्ये आपण त्या BD ची value substitute करणार. BD means what? It is a DB. Therefore, CD square is equals to, okay, CD square is equals to, keep this AD as it is. हा इथला AD आपण as it is ठेवलेला आहे. We are substituting the value of DB or the BD. तर ते किती आहे? Its value is DE upon AC, okay, into, okay, I will write here, into AB. Okay, and hence if we simplify, divided AC इकडे गेल्यावर काय जाणार तो multiplied होणार. Therefore CD square into AC is equals to AD into DE into AB, and hence we have here CD square into AC is equals to AD into AB into DE, and hence it is proved. Okay. Now the next question number 5. Okay, figure देखील बघायचे. In an equilateral triangle ABC, म्हणजे triangle ABC हा equilateral triangle आहे. Each angle is 60 degree. All sides are congruent. This side BC is a trisected at D. BC is a trisected at D. Means what? The ratio BD upon BC is 1 by 3. Okay. Is a trisected at D. Prove that 9 times AD square is equals to 7 times AB square. Okay. आणि इथे आपल्याला हिंट दिले त्याने ते draw AE perpendicular to BC. AE perpendicular to BC. Now we'll start the proof. See this here. The first construction. A is a perpendicular to BC. A हा BC ला perpendicular घेतला आहे. Now in triangle ABE. In triangle ABE. AEB is 90. AEB. This angle AEB is a 90, which is the construction. Angle ABE. This is the 60 because the given triangle is a equilateral triangle. Okay, angles of equilateral triangle. And therefore, as this angle is a 90, this is a 60 zala. And therefore, the angle BAE is equals to, this is the 30 degree. Okay, highlight here 30 degree. And therefore, by 30, 60, 90 triangle, it becomes the 30, 60, 90 or not. Therefore, A is equals to, what about the A? A is the side. A is the side opposite to angle 60 degree. A here 60 degree चे opposite side है. Therefore, A is equals to root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Therefore, A is equals to root 3 by 2 AB, side opposite to 60 degree. And what about the B? B side 30 समोरचे, ती hypotenuse चे half असणार आहे. Therefore, B is equals to 1 upon 2 AB. That is the side opposite to 30 degree. This is the first part. आपल्याला रिलेशन कुठलं फाइंड आउट करायचंय, त्यामध्ये AD आणि AB आला पाहिजे. Okay. Now the next. See this here. B is equals to 1 upon 2 BC. This BE is equals to 1 upon 2 BC. Okay. Now what is the B here? B is a perpendicular bisector of the side BC. And to equilateral triangle, therefore E is the midpoint. Okay. And therefore this BE, this is the BE, is equals to EC. And hence we have here, that is a B is equals to 1 upon 2 BC. That is the sides of equilateral triangle. What about the DE? DE is equals to, this is the DE, is equals to BE minus BD. Okay. BE minus BD. This DE is equals to BE minus BD. And therefore, but what about the BE? BE ची value किती आहे? The B is equals to 1 upon 2 BC. And what about the BD? BD is the 1/3 of BC. BD is the 1/3 of BC. That's we have given. म्हणजे कसं की BC is a trisected at the D. Okay. And therefore, BD is equals to 1 by 3 BC. And therefore, we can, the next step, we can take 1 by 3 as a common, or we simplify it, make the cross multiplication. That is, see this here, the cross multiplication. 3 into BC and 2 into BC. That is a 3 BC minus 2 BC. You will get BC upon 6. 2 into 3. With the cross multiplication, that is a BC upon 6. This is the DA. Therefore, D is equals to, this DE is equals to AB upon 6. Ha DE side. Ha किती आहे? तर तो AB upon 6. Because we want to prove the relation in terms of AB. म्हणजे आपल्याला DE side मिळाली. आपला ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह काय असणार आहे? तर DE आपल्याला पाहिजे. Okay. Now we consider the triangle. That is in triangle ADE. Okay. In triangle ADE. By the Pythagoras, AD square is equals to, आपल्याला AD square इथे पाहिजे, म्हणजे काय त्याने कन्सिडर केलाय, तर ट्रायंगल AD हा इथे कन्सिडर केलेला आहे. त्याच्यामधला डी हा आपल्याला ए बी मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करायचा आहे. ओके, डी हा ए बी मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करायचा आहे अँड ए इज ऑल्सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए बी मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करायचा आहे. Therefore, in triangle ADE, what's happening? AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. Substitute the value of AE. What is AE? AE is here. Okay. Okay, there root 3 by 2 times AB. That is the root 3 by 2 AB bracket square plus DE किती आलाय? AB upon 6 bracket square. त्याचा स्क्वेअर केला root 3 by 2 means what? 3 by 4 AB square. AB upon 6 means what? AB 1 by 36 AB square. आणि पुढे आपण ते सिम्प्लिफाय करतो. दॅट इज इथे एलसीएम घेणार. वी विल मल्टिप्लाइड हियर बाय दी 9, न्यूमरेटर 9 ने मल्टिप्लाइड करणार. दॅट इज 27 AB square plus AB square upon 36. You will get 28 AB square upon 36. And therefore, here AD square is equals to, पुन्हा हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार, 4 ने त्याला डिव्हिजन करणार, सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. That is 7 AB square upon 9. And after the cross multiplication, you will get 9 AD square is equals to 7 AB square. And in this way, it's a proof. What is that? We want to prove that the 9 AD square is equals to 7 AB square. एकच महत्वाचं या ठिकाणी काय? That is, here we have whatever that we want to prove. आपल्याला जे काही प्रूव्ह करायचे त्यामध्ये कुठल्या साइड्स आहेत? That is, there is a one hypotenuse AD and one side of the triangle. That is AB. यामध्ये आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. And we are considering the triangle ADE. Using that, we can prove that the 9 AD square is equals to 7 times AB square. Number of the times तुम्ही जर प्रॅक्टिस केली तर तुम्हाला 100% जमेल. यानंतर पुन्हा भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. त्या व्हिडिओमध्ये देखील मी अशीच 5 एक्झाम्पल्स घेणार आहे. They are the challenging questions.